How to fix Instagram collaborator problem. So in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix it easily and fast. Just keep watching until the end. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see, go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this and then click on it. After you click on it, it will take you here. Right here on this page you will find all the app informations as you can see. So first thing you want to do is click on force stop and then click here on the storage and then click on clear data, clear cache, and then all what you have to do now is go to the Play Store and update your Instagram. And that's it. If it's not working yet, then you have to uninstall your Instagram and then reinstall it again, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.